So when considering should you go with a cheap system versus a more expensive system, you have to look at all the hidden costs, the operation of the system, and what all is involved in that. To go with what people consider the cheapest system, you're looking at a single stage, low SEER, low efficient system that has a low price tag. But here's the problem with that. When you go with a system like that, you also only have one mode of operation. You have one speed for cooling, one speed for heat. So what happens is every time that system comes on, that system is designed to take care of the hottest day of the summer and the coldest day of the winter. So on the mild days, when you don't need that full capacity out of that cheaper system, what ends up happening is you're going to get it anyways. So every time that system comes on, you have the constant full capacity, use all the resources, power that it can to operate that system. So over time, you could have a cheap price tag up front, but it's not cost effective over time because of what it's going to cost you on your utility bills. Now, if you look at the other end of the spectrum, if you were to look at a more efficient system that can come with a higher price tag, but an advantage of if you have somebody actually show you the options and the difference between them, those systems also come with better financing options. So what ends up happening is when you do that, now you're looking at more of a monthly payment compared to what you're going to save on your utilities, so you know what your true cost is per month on that system. The other great thing about the high efficiency systems is you get a longer run time out of them. Now, a lot of people, when they hear that, they think, well, my utility bills are going to go up, but it does the exact opposite. Because it has so many different speeds that it can run at, what it does is once you, let's say during the summer, once you bring the house down to temperature, from that point on, it's going to maintain that temperature, and it's going to do that by using lower speeds, indoor and outdoor, which is less consumption on your utilities. You're keeping that constant temperature throughout the home. You have better humidity control. You have better indoor air quality. So basically what you've done is you've now put your home on cruise control. So just like if you were to compare it to the vehicle, you've purchased something that's going to give you much better, miles per gallon. That's exactly what these systems do. And it also does it in the heating for you as well. A lot of homes out there, when a lot of people go with that cheaper price tag, they end up with a single stage furnace. Well, when that furnace comes on, it's like a flamethrower. It's just nothing but all the heat that it can give. It burns all the moisture out of the home. It can affect hardwood floors, any hardwood furniture in the house, instruments. It can also affect the lifestyle as far as health in the home too. You can end up with dry skin, bloody nose. You have a lot of electric static that builds up in the home. Versus a variable speed furnace, and again, we're talking about something that comes with a little bit more of a price tag, but the benefit you receive from that is now when it comes on, it's using a lot less fuel consumption, so it's warming the air instead of burning the air. It doesn't remove as much humidity, so we can help with the dry skin, the bloody nose, the static electricity, the furniture, everything that's going in the home. The great thing about Texas is we don't have real harsh winters as the rest of the United States does. So for it to go to that full capacity to give everything it's got is extremely rare in this area. So you always want to make sure that you're considering that when you're looking at a system. The other things about the system is not only do you have the put your house on cruise control, you have the longer operation time at a lower cost to maintain the temperature of the home. You have the special financing that comes with it that makes it more affordable. Now you got saving on your utility bills. It also starts affecting things like the health in the home. No matter what time the year is, with that run time, it keeps the air constantly moving across that filter, which means it's removing, spores, pollens, all the different type of particles out of the air. It also helps with the dust in the home. Now, unfortunately, there's not a system out there that can remove all the dust in the home, but what it can do is by keeping that air moving, it helps prevent the dust from settling as much and trapping more of it at the filter. If you have any other questions that you would like to know about high efficiency versus low, feel free to give us a call here at Advent Air Conditioning at 972-221-4373, or you can reach us at our website at adventair.com.
For more videos and tips like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel or go to thipro.com.